sat down again. I'm going to be trying to change the oil filters. I got 3 wicks and 1 cat. So I got 2 for this, and I've got 3 over there that use the same filters, D315s, and I don't think the 9K uses the 9K way down there, unless it's been updated. If it's been updated to the full flow, then it does, but I'm not sure. And then I've got oil and oil filters, and I've got some thermostats. They should be here by the 1st, and we'll change those out. I have some slobbering going on, or I see everything on this needs greased again, and I need to put some chains on the front tires because on the ice it's a little hard to steer. So I'll get the other 2 sets out and put them on. And the springs on those I got off of several sets of trampolines, and those work fantastic. They hanging on better than any bungees I've had, and we'll see. We got some more snow. I got to brush that off, and we'll see what we got going. It's cold. Batteries don't last outside in the snow very long, and the cold very long, and there we go. Looking things over, checking things out. Been having problems with my lack of thermostats or something, and I got an oil slick here coming out the exhaust. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at that bank up there, and it says it's got 2 thermostats. Now I'm not sure. Top up there. Let me get a pointer stick here. Now I've tried to get some stuff in here, and because this fan blows backwards, it's just impossible to get anything in there up against the radiator to stick. The thermostats are in here. I need to get a part number off of this if I can. Some of them, and they flop back and forth of this era between the 12s and the 1400s, and then some of them show the thermostats in here. Everything else is running great. I mean, it runs fantastic. I did find the oil cap off of the oil up there after the last time I ran it, but that goes to the pony. I want to check the pony oil, see if it has any water in it. Oh, good. And it's down, which is normal. Could use a part of a quart. And let's check the oil here. Now, I know it's supposed to be warm. Yeah, it is down a little. It don't smell diesel-y. Excuse me if I don't taste benzene. So here's the Wix number, 51161. I think I gave them a different number, but that's what they came up with. And then here's the cat number is 1R0659. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start this puppy up and get it warm, and then we're gonna change the oils. I know it's getting dark. Ooh, ravens are coming back. It's getting to be sundown. They go out during the day and they come back during the evening. So let's start this bad chicken up. Get it warmed up so we can change some oil before it gets too damn dark. Yep, needs a touch. So I'm gonna have to put you guys up here. Wacka wacka woo. Now don't slide off just because you got the recipe. Here's what I had was, see, that looks a little oily, but also very carbony. Yeah, it is oilish. But what I did was I've been trying to pick up the temperature. Temperature's been 165 max. How much you want to bet? I'm in the way. I'm right in line here, so. One of the treasures of Sierra Madre. My little dink dink. I actually had two of them in the back of one rig. I'd like to get an air compressor. Almost lost it. I'm glad I put the glove on, eh? Did y'all catch that? That's funny, wasn't it? Let it drain, let it drain. I didn't get my Logger Wade hat. Woohoo! Logger Wade. I challenge. Logger Wade to wear pink. I challenge. NYA millennial to wear pink for breast awareness. Now I'm going to pull off the dink dink. If we can get a picture of that. The plug out of the dink dink. Whatchamacallit. I thought you wanted to work on me. I thought this whole time you wanted to work on me. I thought that's what it was. Yep, that's what I thought it was. Now we need to look down in there and see what we got. This is the one closest to the radiator. What do you see? A little bit of pitch. Nothing really drastic. That one's the one towards the pony. Can you see in there? That one's the one towards the radiator. Let's see what my mark. Now I'm also not cranking out any amps, but I'm gonna do one elephant at a time. But I am looking at this. It says made in America. Can't see the other size. It does. I'd see 12 volt on the regulator over here. On this tag. Ooh, I'm getting blah, blah, blah on me. On this tag here, can we make out anything? And the starter, I'm pretty sure it's a 6 volt. Though on these, it could be 12 volt because, can you read on that relay? But I've taken temperature readings with a thermal gun. Now I have a thermal camera, and when we get it running, we'll take temperature readings and whatnot of it. I should. Anyway, I've got a conundrum here. Here's the battery. I was over on ACMOC, and the 6 volt systems have the field here, or the the picture that I have has the field here. And the armature here. I don't know. I know that this is a 12 volt battery's 12 volt, but I don't know which post is the armature and which one's the field.
This wire is this wire. So this wire's the armature. And this wire says this wire is the field. So let's make sure that's what the generator says. And the screen is trusted, that's it.
Oh yeah, stick you over there and then I'll put my hand in it. Just like an old hillbilly. I'm from West Virginia. You heard Missouri, right? That's the show me state. I'm from West Virginia. You gotta show me twice. Let me see if I could take a picture of that. Okay. It goes back here.
You're breaking the wires on that. I am going to have to make another one. Right now.
Okay, that was it right there. Just the field wire to the post. Now we put the field wire back on. What that did was ground the. Hold on. I lost my screwdriver. What I do with my screwdriver? I don't have my screwdriver. I'll be back. Oh, there it is. I told you so. So I was having issues with this, or I am still having issues with the temperature on this thing. Now I put this thing to work yesterday. I was gonna change the oil, but I didn't. I had everything ready to go, but the dark got me and I was cold. My fingers were cold. Come on, dude. Okay, perfect. And it was running and it was nice and warm and everything, and I'm gonna just warm it up, see if it's still spitting and sputtering. So all night last night I was keeping an eye on the exhaust, and it was blowing just a tad bit of black smoke. I don't remember it ever blowing black smoke, but it was hard to see. And then this morning I come out and it's got I fixed the charging, polarized that, cleaned the leads off, and then I put some electric grease on there.